Is the product RW 0? I don't know, it's going to depend on whether at least one of them is 0, right? If at least one of them is 0, then the product is 0. If neither R nor W is 0, then the product is not 0. So what's interesting here is that if we can tell for sure that neither R nor W is 0, that would be sufficient. We would be able to definitively answer the question with a definitive no. So that's what we're curious about when we go to the statements. Now looking at these statements, I'm kind of rephrasing statement 1 as R could be 0. And I'm rephrasing statement 2 as W is definitely not 0. But even if I combine these statements, I'm still left knowing that R could be 0, it may or may not be 0, and therefore their product may or may not be 0. So I'm going to go ahead and pick E and move on to the next one. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.